Okay, hi Daniel. I am going to explain you how to solve the exercise number 7. First of all, we are going to read the exercise, okay? The cost of 23 books is 584,200 pesos. How many books can be bought for 431,800 pesos? First of all, we're going to identify the keywords. So here we have cost. And here we have books. So we're going to read the problem again. The cost of 23 books, we have 23 books, is 584,200 pesos. How many books can be bought for? So here we're going to write the question mark. 431,800 pesos. So it means that we're going to do the operation. We're going to multiply 431,800 pesos times 23, and we're going to divide the answer by 584,200 pesos, and then you are going to find the answer. Okay, thank you. Bye, Daniel.